Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drift a BMW 1 Series step by step. Begin by finding a legal, open practice area like a skid pad or closed lot and set clear boundaries. Inspect tires, brakes, and suspension, and remove distractions so you can focus. Wear proper safety gear and bring a spotter if possible. I will guide you through initial techniques, common mistakes, and how to build confidence safely. Before any drift session, prioritize safety and prep every detail. Pick a suitable location with permission and clear obstacles, and always tell someone where you will be practicing. Do a thorough vehicle inspection including tires, fluids, and steering components, and adjust tire pressures to suit sliding. Use a helmet and bring a spotter who can watch your surroundings. Start slow, build confidence, and never attempt risky moves on public roads. Learn core drifting techniques step by step with calm, deliberate practice. Begin with a gentle entry using a clutch kick or handbrake to break rear traction, then apply throttle to hold the angle while counter-steering smoothly. Focus on weight transfer through slight braking and steering inputs, and keep throttle modulation consistent to avoid snap oversteer. Repeat small runs, adjust tire pressures, and analyze each attempt to grab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.